Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today we're doing things a little bit differently. We've come down here to our partners at Sharman Caravans Motorhomes in Ipswich. And this is the motorhome that we've come to look at today. This is the Fiat Ducato Roller Team T-Line 740. Now this motorhome has got some of the features that we are looking for our charged F1 hub. It's got the big garage in the back. It's got a nice big bed above it and also a good dining area to sit in as well with the swivel seats. So let's have a look at the garage and see how big it is to fit our charged F1 hub in. So here you can see we've got a nice big garage. We have two different ways of putting this bike in there. Now, if I come over to it, we then put the headset down, fold it up, put the saddle down and lift the stand. Now we could, if we wanted to, put our bike straight in right the way through, just like that. The other option we've got is if we keep the bike folded like that, we then put the stand back up, then we have to make sure our pedals are facing downwards on the left hand side, fold it round, fold the bike up like so, and then we will put the bike in just like so. We do have lashing straps on here as well, so we can tie it down so the bike won't move. You have actually got enough room here to get two bikes next to each other on one side. This motorhome has even got a plug socket in the back here that we can charge our charged F1 hub. So it's also worth noting that this does have a through garage, so doors at both sides, so you could actually pull your charged F1 hub right the way through to get it out from the other side. So this motorhome is also equipped with a rack on the back that can hold 60 kilos, and this is how we can fit on the charged F1 hub as well. So you've got a couple of choices. You can either put it in the garage, or if you're taking more stuff away with you, you can then store it on the back. Also, if it is on the back, you do have a camera for reversing up there, which you can switch on in the cab when you're going along. So now come inside and have a look with us. So here we go. We walk in and we have our nice swivel seats with our living room area and another seat against the entrance with our dash with reverse camera. We then have our kitchen with our oven, our single sink and our 3-burner in here. Some storage at the top here as well, and we also have a fridge freezer. Now you can probably see that the ceiling is a little bit lower. Now this has a mid bed that drops down, and this is a double bed that drops down out the ceiling for if you was to have friends come and stay with you. Now we will walk through. In the rear of the motorhome, here is our double bed. It's an island bed with storage above and to the side with nice sized wardrobes, and also we have a TV as well. Then we have our toilet, wash basin and decent sized shower. So while we're here at Sharman today, I thought I'd just give you a quick little walk around and show you what they do have here in stock.
Rolling down the highway, sun up on my face, dreaming of the open road, wide and into space. Sharman's light is calling like a siren in the night, promising adventure under golden morning light. Steel and chrome shining, lined up in a row, whispering of places that I've yet to go. Every door I open holds a story untold, a home on wheels to carry me through heat and winter cold. Oh, wheels of freedom, take me far away, through the valleys, cross the hills, where the wild things play. No more chains to bind me, just the wind and open sky. With every mile behind me, I feel more alive. The salesman's talking numbers, but I'm hearing something more. The hum of tires singing on a long forgotten shore. A bed beneath the starlight, a stove to cook my meal. The world becomes my backyard, every turn a new ideal.
Now let's take a walk into the shop and see what they have to offer. We'll meet you inside.
No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charge machine I take the leap, like a Ducato, swift and keen. Through the electric bays I dream. No road unturned, no hill too steep. On this charge machine I take the leap.
So there you have it, a nice little video that we've done for you down here at Sharman's in Ipswich. Now if you want to come and have a look, give them a call. They can sell you the complete package if you're starting off first time, or even if you just want to upgrade, come down, have a look, and they will be happy to assist you at any time.